So today I'm going to change the rear brake shoe of my bike. So after 6 years, almost every part is getting replaced. So the front brake shoe disc plate already been changed, as you can see in my video. So within 7 days, the rear brake shoe is making noise. So I'm just going to change it. So I'm just going giving you the expenses and everything, whatever is costing me. It's around about 250 rupees to change the brake shoe and mechanical cost, everything together. So just getting it changed. Finished. এখান থেকে পুরো চলে গেছে না এই লেয়ারটা। হ্যাঁ, নতুনটা কেমন আছে দেখো। ও এতটা থাকে আর ওটা একদম প্লেন। ওকে, so you should never put any grease or anything, so it will go to the drum, so it will affect your braking. So as you can see, this is the drum, so we don't need to open the entire tire, we can just do it from here. So the quick fix within 10 minutes.
बहुत বড় ঢ্যামনা আছে এই কুকুরটা।
কামড়ায়? হ্যাঁ কামড়ায়।
আশিকে যে দুধ দেয় এই যে আশিকে যে দুধ দেয়।
So Pulsar 150 brake shoes, you know, get fits to Pulsar AS 150, the same brake shoes. So finally the brake is ready. It's done within 5 minutes. Yes, 5 to 7 minutes. Super fast walk. So finally the brake is fixed, and whatever happens with me I share with you guys. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, so it inspires me a lot. Thank you guys, take care, bye.